Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Folly, and you will see that this is going to go as one of the quicker ones you'll ever see. Free energy in equilibrium. Remember, free energy is delta G. That's free energy to do work. If delta G is negative, that means it's spontaneous. So the products are favored at equilibrium, so K is greater than 1. And algebraically, this bad boy becomes true. But the units are evil. So because we have to use the R, the joule R, that means G has to be in joules, not kilojoules. Temperature has to be in Kelvin. We know that. That's no big deal. And then E is the natural log E associated to not that. Okay, so that's ln natural log. Also algebraically, delta G equals negative RT ln K. This one is certainly on the equation sheet. I've checked to see if the other one is. Same unit rules. So got to be in joules. Got to use 8.314 R. Okay. Math fun. When delta G equals 0, it's at equilibrium. K is close to 1. Okay. One side isn't favored because if you're at equilibrium, you have equal rates, right? So that means it's not going one way or the other. Okay. A large negative delta G. So when delta G is 0, let's do this again. K is close to 1. A large negative delta G means the reaction will go far to the right. You will get lots of products. So K is P over R, so K is large. A large positive delta G means it will not go far right. It will go mostly far left. Okay. So large positive delta G means it will not go far right. It will go far. So I'm going to have lots of reactants, so it's going to be small. When delta G is much larger or much smaller than RT, the value of K deviates strongly from 1. Coupled reaction. Delta G can be changed by changing temperature or adding electricity or light. So that's like adding energy, right? Some reactions are coupled where an unfavorable reaction can take place by a favorable reaction, giving it an energy source. Unfavorable. Unfavorable, phone battery recharges on its own. Favorable, electricity flows from an outlet, zap. Combine the two and you get your phone charged. Combined, it has a negative delta G. So this is delta G is positive. Your phone doesn't charge on its own, it goes away. This is negative, but if I have a bigger negative, I get my phone charged. Unfavorable, snow melts in the winter. Favorable, sunlight flows into snowman. Combine the two and you kill Olaf. Aww. Delta G is 0 for elements in their standard state. Delta G is 0 for elements in their standard state. Delta S is 0 only for a perfect crystal at 0 Kelvin, which is never. That's it. Cheers.